Hi guys, today we're going to demonstrate how to load a Cutlist onto the UNIQ automatic controller. Once you have your Cutlist loaded correctly onto your drive, you simply go to the import-export screen, load it into the USB. Now we hit set path, storage USB, OK, record, OK. Now import. This could take a while because it has to read all 600 lines, even if they're blank. So give it some time to load and it'll automatically pop up, that'll disappear, and then we'll eject the USB. Okay, once the load field disappears, now all we have to do is just eject the USB and it'll give us the key to remove that safely. Pull that out, close that for protection, go back to your home screen, and let's see here. Go to our run, our program is loaded.